Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, then here in the search bar enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your phone. So now just open the app, here click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and as you can see here we got this section with the temperature of our battery, that's 30 degrees. Also we here got the other information about our battery health, level, capacity, and another information about the model of our device and the Android version. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.